Yeah guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the original LG fridge water filter. Here I have the 2-pack. I bought it at full price. This is not a sponsored review, and of course you have to remove the plastic outside here. Can be very easily be removed, and it comes also with a plastic cap which you can remove and later use for the old filter to prevent leaking. And so here we have the situation, filter compartment here on the right top. It's not everywhere on the right top, but usually, of course, make sure that you turn off the ice maker before. That's the most important part here actually, and that's the only thing which I'm doing before. Just long press here and the ice maker will be off, so it's not going to use water automatically. And when the compartment is open, yeah, also make sure that you put the towel underneath, but usually there's not a lot of water. We can pull down the filter a little bit and then rotate counterclockwise and then pull it out, and you can see there's almost no water leaking. That's pretty good. And so it would be now the best time to add the cap of the new filter to the old filter to prevent leaking. And so without the cap we add the new filter inside. Just push a little bit while rotating clockwise, and then you can feel some resistance. I'm showing that again. Maybe just watch how I'm rotating. First I rotate a little bit till I can feel that it's in the thread, and then rotate a little bit more and there's more resistance, and then I have to rotate even more. So there are at least 3 parts, and at the very end you will feel that there's some hard resistance, and only then stop. If you stop before, it won't filter the water correctly. And then of course time to push everything up and close it nicely. Super easy, just a few drops. And then of course also very important to flush the system, maybe with 2 or 3 gallons of water. And during this time also make sure that you're watching the filter or the filter compartment, that there's no leak. There's a little bit of air inside, but definitely not much. So I did that for a couple of minutes and worked absolutely awesome. No leak, no nothing. And after that, of course, time to activate the ice maker again with long pressing down here, ice on, you can see. And of course also we want to reset the filter if that's needed. In my case I just replaced the filter without that there was an indicator light on. I just replaced it because I accidentally bought a non-original one, but I figured it would be still a good thing to reset the filter indicator. And so after flushing the system, now that's the time to try and see and find out how it is. That's normal speed, so you can also see how fast this is. Definitely decent speed, great quality, clarity, everything. And so I tried it and it definitely tastes absolutely awesome, absolutely perfect. Yeah, definitely a good idea to invest into original LG water filters and not buy just third-party or cheap imitation of LG water filters. Make sure that you are buying just original, otherwise you won't have the full filtration effect. And so if you're interested into buying the real original LG water filters, then you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one or a whole set for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with LG water filter replacement, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.